In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like landmark reviews, location, price, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 7.9, which is the good review category first. You can see on the screen details like room size, correct height, room view, amenities, facilities and images, etc. Room category second. Room category third. Room category 4. Room category 5th. Room category 6th. Room category 7th. Room category 8th. Room category 9th. Room category 10th. Next we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Pets are not allowed in this hotel. The location of the hotel is good. Guests fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The check-in time of this hotel is 2 p.m. and the checkout time is 11 a.m. Guests are required to show a photo ID at check-in. Travel deals and offers are available online for this hotel along with various plans and check-in policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. For booking or more details, check the description. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you may subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, we'll meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.